In this video, we will present selections by color. In many cases, when working with complex designs, it is very useful to select all objects with the same color and apply various modifications simultaneously. For example, this design has many birds in the same color used in various positions. If you want to somehow change the color scheme, it's frustrating to have to select each one object individually. But there is one special option menu which can make this happen. So if you want to select all these blue parts, right-click on the color, and from the appearing menu, you get the option Select by Fill Color because you right-clicked on a fill color, and an option to select simply by color, that is either fill or outline parts. If you right-click on an outline color, you get the option Select by Outline Color. Let's use fill only. Now all objects using that color as a fill color get selected. Now you can easily apply a new color or any other property on all those parts. In the same way, you can select an outline color and apply a color change or any other property change. So this practically allows you to make multiple edits within seconds.